Naka-bathrobe lang ako lagi, guys, sa cooking session ko, guys. The bathrobe chef. Kape. Yan siya, guys. Malapit na siyang mag-cook and cook and cook. Orasyonan lang natin, guys, ang ating niluto. Okay? Masarap, masarap na luto. Masarap, masarap. Yummylicious. May mga nahulog, guys, sa baba. Oh, bring the trash. Aywa. Okay. Go, go, go. Take that. Okay. So, gasan na natin, guys, ang ating mga natirang dishes na ginamit. Mga plato, kung ano-ano. Okay. Yan. Throw the box there, Bob. The box outside. Okay. We're almost finished, guys. Then I'm going to prepare now for my work. I'm going to go to work. Duty tayo, guys. Work, work tayo. Work, 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 work. Work, 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 work. Okay, guys. Tignan na natin. Let's wait and see. Wow, it's amazing. Looks yummy, delicious, and colorful. Okay? Yeah. Okay, let's taste, guys. I-off na natin ang ating heat dahil tayo ay titikim ng ating pasta. Okay? Tignan natin, guys, yung kung cook na ang fettuccine. Okay na siya, guys. OMG. What happened? Ayan na siya, guys. Cook na. Enough na siya, guys. So, okay na to. Okay na to, guys. That's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow for our cooking session with me series. Bye!